In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add another account in Spotify. This is beneficial for maintaining personalized playlists and recommendations, especially when multiple people share devices like smart speakers. It allows each user to have their own listening history and preferences without interference. To do this, simply head to Spotify. Tap onto your profile icon and select Add Account. You can either add an existing account or simply sign up for a new account. Enter your email address. All you need is to simply provide your email address. Then verify it. That's all. Well, that's how easy it is to add another account on Spotify. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.